Welcome back to the Herbal Code 411, where ancient wisdom meets modern science and every leaf tells a story. Today, we journey into the world of lemon balm, a plant once called the elixir of life by medieval healers. Thousands of years ago, in the fragrant gardens of ancient Greece, lemon balm, or Melissa officinalis, was beloved for more than its sweet, lemony scent. Monks in medieval monasteries nurtured it, believing it could lift the spirit and ease the heart. It was said that even bees, nature's messengers, couldn't resist its gentle call. Melissa means honeybee in Greek after all. But what about today? Modern science has stepped in to validate the wisdom of the past. Studies show lemon balm can reduce anxiety, ease insomnia, and sharpen cognitive function. In a 2014 randomized controlled trial, participants taking lemon balm extract reported significantly lower stress and improved calmness, even enhancing memory and alertness. Even more fascinating, lemon balm contains powerful compounds like rosmarinic acid, which not only soothes the nervous system, but may help regulate inflammation and support the immune response. And here's something unique. Researchers have found that lemon balm's essential oil can even help defend against certain viruses, hinting at why ancient healers called it nature's shield. But a quick word of caution. If you have thyroid issues, especially hypothyroidism, lemon balm may interfere with thyroid hormone activity. Always check with your healthcare provider before making any herbal remedy part of your routine. Nature is powerful, and it deserves respect. Now, for a simple and delightful way to use lemon balm Infused Honey. Just pack a clean jar with fresh lemon balm leaves, pour raw honey over them, and let it sit in a sunny window for a few days. Strain and drizzle it over toast, yogurt, or in smoothies for a calming, mood-boosting treat. If you're inspired to try high-quality lemon balm products, whether it's organic dried leaves, tinctures, or lemon balm seeds, I've left some trusted links in the video description below. These are handpicked to help you weave a little more nature into your daily life. If you found this little journey helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Herbal Code 411, where we unlock nature's secrets, one herb at a time. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature has a code, and we're just here to decode it. See you